The Thinkware app allows you to play back the videos recorded by the dashcam, as well as downloading and saving those videos to your smartphone's camera roll. To download and export videos on an iPhone using the Thinkware Cloud app or Thinkware dashcam link, first we will connect with the dashcam via Wi-Fi or hotspot. These instructions are applicable to both apps. Once connected, open the app and access the file list. In the file list, select one of the folders, for example, Continuous Recording folder. In the folder, you have all the videos saved in the SD card. Click on any of the videos to play back. Choose the video you would like to download and click on the three dots on the right side of the screen beside each video. Select Download to start downloading the video. Once the download is done, the video will be saved to the Downloaded Videos folder in your file list. To export the video to your camera roll, go to the Downloaded Videos folder and find the video you would like to export. Click on the three dots at the right side again and select Export. The video will be saved to your camera roll in a specific folder named Thinkware Dashcam.